Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be pointing out factors that slow down the effectiveness of your organic skincare products. Your organic skincare products are not working. This is why. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this one tiny second to click the notification bell, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and leave me a beautiful comment in the comment section after this video if you think this video was helpful to you. My name is Select Kalio, and today's Posh Skin Secrets is telling you why your organic skincare products are not working. Now, Posh Skin Secret products formula are very effective with visible results in a very short time. In a very short time, I mean in 1 week, in 2 weeks, not in 2 days, please. Now, our products are made with 100% pure organic ingredients and uncontaminated materials. Now, there are many reasons why your skincare products are not working, a whole lot of them, but today I'm going to highlight about just 5 of them. Maybe I'll do another video for that, for more, if I have to, but these are the main reasons why your products are not working. Now, number 1, the use of diluted organic ingredients. Some organic ingredients are not 100% organic because it has been diluted with chemicals to increase the quantity, and when such ingredients is used to produce organic products, it won't give an effective result. The rule number 1 is, if you must make your product yourself with an organic ingredient, be sure that you're buying your ingredients from a reputable organic seller. Otherwise, it is a total waste of money, waste of effort, and products will not give you the results that you want. Now, I remember when I first started making organic cream, like making creams, I would just buy my ingredients from any close by organic seller, to avoid the extra charges like way bill, the stress of going to pick up, and then the time that you have to wait for the product to get to you. So but later I discovered that the reason why the products that I was producing are not effective was because I was buying expired and unpure organic ingredients, and the problem was not from the formulation, from the product formulation, but rather it was from the fake organic ingredients that I was buying. Now, another note is, if you are going to be doing your cream by yourself, make sure that you are buying your ingredients from a reputable seller. All the organic ingredients that I sell are direct from the company. I bring them in direct from the company. Now, even if you want to sell on wholesale, you can hit me up. I will give you a list of our wholesale powders and all of that, and you can go and resell. They are directly from the manufacturer. There is no fakeness with Posh Skin Secrets. We are very legit and open to you guys. Now, number 2 reason why your organic skincare products are not working is because of use of contaminated materials and equipment. Some organic products do not work due to the use of contaminated measuring spoons, containers, mixers, double boilers, and a lot of other things that you use for your production. Now, it is advisable to always wash all materials to be used before and after using to avoid bacterial contamination. Now, rule number 2 is, some organic mixers, people who do organic formulation, use their hands to mix creams. In the process of maybe stirring the cream and all, there might be some spills, and they will just use their hand to scoop it from the ground, and then they will use the spoon, and there's just a lot of messiness, and then at the end of the day you contaminate your product. That's a very bad habit. Never use your hands to mix products. Never use your hands to mix products. Ensure that you're using a mixing stick or a mixer. Always ensure that you wear hand gloves, nose mask, eyeglasses to protect yourself when making your production. Now, I am very guilty when it comes to not wearing gloves. My reason is I always find it difficult to pick things and all of that, and in the process I have been messing up my knuckles, and I've come to realize that it's easier to just avoid not wearing gloves than always trying to treat my knuckles, because while I'm producing, things touch my hands and all of that, and over time you start having issues with knuckles and all. But that doesn't mean that I don't sanitize my hands before I start my formulation. I always make sure that before I start formulating, I wash my hands properly and sanitize it. That way I know I'm not introducing any form of bacteria into my batch of production. Now, the third reason why your skincare formulation is not working is because the products are not mixed properly. The products are not mixed properly. That's why your skincare products are not working. The use of hand mixer is not because it's not just a fancy way to mix your creams, but the energy that's adequate enough to compose all ingredients or bind all ingredients together can only be done by a machine. So it is advisable to use hand mixers or blenders to mix your products for effective results. Now, the last on our list today, the last reason why your skincare formulation or your organic skincare products are not working for you is because the recipe is just wrong. So if your recipe is wrong, no matter how much whitening powder and lightening powder and serums and things that you pack in a product, if your formulation is not properly done, your products will not work. That's why I always say that if you want to go into skincare formulation, make sure you know the basics. Make sure you have an idea of how to formulate your own skincare products. That's why you should join our next training, which is going to take place in August. I don't know if I'm going to have a date yet before I put out this video, but we're going to have 2 trainings in August. I'm going to put out all the dates, so to get information on our trainings, please use the link in the description bar to join our WhatsApp training group. That way you are able to be informed about all the dates and times and all of that information about our training. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, please take this time to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if what I have just explained here is beneficial to you. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I will be glad to answer your questions. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.